In the heart of the earth, deep within the underground insect worlds, lived a tiny ant named Antony. Antony was known for his vibrant scarlet exoskeleton, a contrast to the drab browns and blacks of the rest of his colony. One day, Antony discovered a bright blue beetle, Bluet, who had fallen into a pit, unable to escape. Antony, with his agility, could have easily climbed out of the pit, but he hesitated. Bluet, sensing Antony's presence, called out, "Oh, Antony, help me, please." Antony felt a pang of guilt, but he was unsure of what he should do. In the end, he decided to leave Bluet to his fate, reasoning that he was different and would not be accepted by the colony if he helped a beetle. Meanwhile, a wise old owl named Orion, who lived on the outskirts of the underground insect worlds, watched from afar. Orion had seen Antony's struggle, and he knew that Antony's heart was filled with compassion. Orion approached Antony. "Antony, I have seen your struggle. You have the chance to show true compassion, but fear is holding you back. Remember, it is not the color of one's exoskeleton that matters, but the kindness within their heart." Antony, inspired by Orion's words, returned to the pit. He carefully climbed down, lifted Bluet onto his back, and carried him back to the surface. Antony's act of kindness was witnessed by his colony, and they were amazed. From that day forward, Antony was no longer known as the Red Ant, but as the Compassionate One. He taught his colony the importance of compassion, and they learned that it is the kind acts we do, not the color of our exoskeleton, that truly defines us. The moral of the story is, compassion knows no color or species. It is a universal truth that connects us all, reminding us that kindness is the true mark of a noble heart.